Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. In this meditation, we will notice the different signals in our body that demonstrate to us that we are alive and well. Let's begin with our feet. If you are able, try to just notice something about your feet. Maybe you notice the feeling of your shoes. Or notice the feeling of your socks. Perhaps you notice the temperature of your feet. Now, making as tiny of a movement as possible, try wiggling your toes. Make this movement so tiny that it's barely noticeable. When I count down from 3, release all the tightness in your belly and see if its shape changes. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Did you feel a change in your belly? Did its shape change? Now draw your attention to your breath. Breathe naturally and feel your chest rising and falling. Expanding and contracting. Breathe now through your mouth. Notice the feeling of air going in and out of your mouth. Focus on where the air tickles your lips. Now breathe through your nose. Where do you feel the air going in and out here? Now turn your attention to your heart. Take a moment to feel it beating. You will have to be very still and very focused to feel it. Try to feel your heart beating. Scan your body now. Is there somewhere you can feel your heart beating, or your pulse somewhere else in your body? check first by putting all of your attention on your neck and throat. Can you feel your heartbeat or your pulse beating here? Our warmth, our breath, our heartbeat, and our ability to focus our mind are all proof that we are alive and well. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now, go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.